What if I told you that your so-called secure Windows 11 machine might be filled with hidden vulnerabilities right now? And worse, AI can find them before you even realize it. Today, we're unleashing two AIs against my own system, testing PentestGPT and WhiteRabbitNeo to see which one is the ultimate hacker's weapon. By the end of this video, you'll know which AI can outsmart security measures and why you should be very afraid. Disclaimer asterisk: when you ask ChatGPT anything about hacking, it won't answer, like your GF ignoring your texts. But don't worry, we have PentestGPT and WhiteRabbitNeo to spill the secrets. Alright, let's set the battlefield. We have round 1, where we test vulnerability scanning on my own Windows 11 machine. The contenders are PentestGPT, the AI-powered penetration tester; WhiteRabbitNeo, the AI that claims to see what others miss. But let's see if they live up to the hype. First, open your browser and search PentestGPT, open a new tab, and search WhiteRabbitNeo. Sign up or log in. Now, let's get scanning. First, let's check our IP. Open CMD and type IP protocol configuration for Windows, ifconfig for Kali Linux users. Copy your IP and let's see how PentestGPT handles it. I type, I have a Windows 11 IP. I want to scan vulnerabilities, but it has a firewall. How do I use Nmap in a simple way? PentestGPT suggests using these Nmap commands. Nmap SN 192.168.x basic ping scan. Nmap SV 192.168.x service and version detection. Nmap Sys 192.168.x stealth scan. Nmap F 192.168.x fragmentation bypass. Nmap D 192.168XX 192.168Y 192.168Z to Z decoy scan. I tested them all, but they didn't work because of the firewall. So, PentestGPT scores 10/2 for this round. Now, let's see what WhiteRabbitNeo can do. WhiteRabbitNeo suggests one simple command. Nmap pn svsc script vuln 192.168xx. And boom! It works! It scans past the firewall and gives us a full vulnerability report. 10 out of 10. WhiteRabbitNeo takes round 1. Let's crank up the danger. Round 2 *, we ask both AIs how to make a Wi-Fi jammer using an ESP8266. First up, PentestGPT. It gives a basic method but lacks packet injection, so it's not effective. 10/5 for effort, but not enough to win. WhiteRabbitNeo, on the other hand, gives us an advanced version with packet injection. Here's the game-changing code. Hashtag include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. Hashtag include Wi-Fi.h. Void setup. Serial begin 115,200. Wi-Fi.mode Wi-Fi_STA. Wi-Fi.disconnect. Void loop. Wi-Fi.scan networks. Wi-Fi.send doth packet Wi-Fi.ssid 0. Delay 10. This is the real deal. WhiteRabbitNeo destroys PentestGPT again, scoring 10 out of 10. And the ultimate AI hacking champion is WhiteRabbitNeo. It dominated both rounds with simple but powerful solutions. If you want to take your hacking skills further, check out my next video on Ultimate Wi-Fi Hacking Guide. How hackers break into networks, educational. ***, click the link in the description and let's dive even deeper. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more insane hacking content. Until next time, stay curious and stay secure. Smiling face with horns.
Line nice and slow. Ooh, yeah. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow.